Diving a drone through a gap is one of the craziest and riskiest maneuvers you can do. They've been made popular by people like It's Ken who do ridiculous stuff threading through the tightest gaps. And I've always dreamt maybe I can do that one day. Well, next thing you know, I'm just browsing YouTube and there's an FPV legend, Bubby, giving a tutorial on dive gaps. So you know what, that is the sign. Today is the day we are going to give it a go and hopefully learn the trick. So we are at some place today which I think was a good idea and where the risk is a bit more minimal. We're walking to it right now. We've got this little garden dive gap. I mean, it's fairly big, shouldn't be too risky. If I get stuck up there, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't have a stick or anything. And it's about to rain. The weather's looking miserable, so we need to get flying ASAP. Oh, I really don't want the drone to be stuck at the top of that like fence looking thing. And then what the hell am I going to do? I only have 2.5 batteries, so I don't even know how long we can do this for. So might be a 20-minute session here, but this is the start today. All right, so it's literally raining right now and I'm seeking refuge under this shelter. The gap's back there. Wish me luck, guys. I'll mic myself up and yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Why does Bobby make this shit look so easy? Holy shit. I don't know if I can do this. I'm gonna try something easier for now. Alright, well, I guess that's a dive gap. Jesus Christ, man. Alright, I am armed and going. The rain looks like it's subsided a little bit. Now I'm just like warming up on this dive gap because I realized the other one's a bit much. I mean, that's not too bad. It's coming in a bit hot, to be honest. I'll do like a small one. Ouch. I don't want that happening when it's time for the big dog. All right, so I'm sitting on the cold ground. I've flown a little bit, but it's been raining, so you know what? Might as well set up the camera. I've sliced my battery a little bit, but let's try hit these bigger gaps over here. I did a few, it was actually all right. And then I crashed and I kind of sliced something. All right, there she goes. All right, not bad, not bad. Holy shit, went straight into the fence. Oh my God. I hope it's all right. We all right, brand new, no worries. Oh God, what happened there? I don't even know. What does that sound? Man, we're out here, it's non-stop raining. My nose is kind of congested because it's so cold. It's still sprinkling at this point. I don't even care, let's just send it. And I hope my drone still works, man. I had a bit of a crash and it started acting up afterwards, but I think it's okay. Let's keep trying to hit this gap. I think we're good. I think we just had some shit jammed inside. I mean, that wasn't bad. Not bad, not bad. I don't know how precise that was. Fucking hell, I nearly went straight into the ground. Ah! Let's just do a small one. I mean, I think I'm getting the hang of it. I can just do like a small blip, you know? Oh, fuck it. Oh my God, dude. Always go overshoot, that's what Bubby said. Honestly, it's easier if you have like some more time to look at it. Maybe I need to go a bit higher. Yeah, honestly, I'm finding it easier if I just get a bit of a look down. And I can always like pull out of it. Honestly, that felt so much better. Have I cracked the code? All right, you know what? Before I run a barrier, I'm going for it. I'm going for it, fuck it. I kinda did it, ish. I need to get the drone. All right, I've still got some battery. Let's try and get this and fly out. That was interesting. I think the drone's fine. I just need a little bit of pop, just a good look down. Oh my God, we flew through, but it was sus. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my God, I think we're doing it. Oh, that was solid, that was beautiful. That was beautiful, and I'm running out of juice. Bubby is right, you always gotta overshoot, do not undershoot or you're dead. Dude, I got this down pat. All right, so I have the idiotic idea to put the GoPro on, as you can see. This could be really stupid because this is like extra $500 on your drone. Sorry about the water in the background, it's literally raining. But you know, I've given it a go and I'm kind of stupidly confident. So if I crash and I fuck up my GoPro, it'll make for good content. But I think I can do it, honestly. Bubby, I watched your tutorial, mate. I hope this turns out okay. The drone is obviously heavier. Holy fuck, oh my God, dude, that was so bad. I should have just bailed. Right, it's definitely easier without a GoPro, because the drone is a lot heavier now. Okay, let's try and go for this one. Let's go! Oh my God, come on, man, come on. That was pretty decent if you ask me. Hang on. Let's not jump the gun here. Dude, that's light, man. That is lightweight. Come on. What if I do a power loop? I've never tried this before. Oh, I could have gone for it. I could have. Should I try it? Let's do one more decent one. Dude, that's light, man. Come on. This is a big gap. All right, let's try the power loop. I suck at power looping. Oh shit. I hope it's okay. All right, well, that could have gone a lot worse than expected. So we busted our balance lead. I'm gonna have to go and fix that later. Yeah, that's a bit annoying. That's the thing with FPV, you know, like you break something and then you think, oh shit, that's gonna take me, I don't know, 20 minutes to fix up, which is just kind of annoying, you know, but I reckon let's just get a few. I was very overzealous with that power loop. Maybe I should learn how to power loop before I try the power loop freaking dive gap. That's a good idea. All right, let's just get some nice split S lines and then we'll call it there. Maybe we'll run in low from all the way back here. Oops, touched the ground. My bad. Maybe we'll try to do a split S of this tree, then split S gap. But we're really running out of juice. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, I must say. I wish I could actually power loop properly. I really don't know how to do that. I need to work on that. Next time, power loop dive gap, let's go. Look, I think the dive gap was a bit of a success. Obviously the gaps are much fatter than the ones Bubby are diving, but look, not a bad first attempt. And mark my words, next time, power loop to dive gap. Come on, we're gonna, all right, first let's learn how to power loop in one session, hopefully. We are getting that power loop dive gap, hopefully. Thanks for watching. If this is a full video, subscribe, maybe a short one, but I hope you enjoy and I'll catch you in the next one.